Welcome to Linguafile. English Basic Reading, Grade 1, Week 13. THEIR, there. IF, if. WILL, will. UP, up. CUT, cut. NUT, nut. HUT, hut. SHUT, shut. She will cut the rope. He shut the door of the hut. The nut will make her sick. They can cut up their food. We will be late if you stop now. Their hut was up the road. That nut will fall from the tree. Ring the bell if the door is shut. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment.